Hi, Mandy from Exquisite Floral. Tonight we're going to be doing the burlap roses out of ribbon. You can actually use any ribbon that's two-sided that has the same on both sides to do these. They're quite simple and quite beautiful. You can add them to your Christmas tree. You can add them to a centerpiece, a mantelpiece. There's lots of things that you can do with them. They don't take long to make and they're very, very pretty. So I'm going to show you how to do this. All you need for this project is wire cutters, scissors, wire that's taped. Make sure you tape your wires, everybody. That is important. And ribbon. So we're going to be using this burlap ribbon. This is the same ribbon that I showed you before, and you can see it's the same on both sides. And it's quite a thick ribbon, which is nice, is what we need. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take 1.5 yards. My measurements aren't exactly, so if you want to measure exactly, you can get out a yardstick and do it. But I measure it this way, so an arm's length, and then 1/2. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut this end on an angle, like so. And then this end we're going to lay flat. Get the scissors out of the way here. So what you're going to do is you're going to leave about 3 to 4 inches, and then you're going to fold. So you're going to bring it across, and you're going to make a triangle fold. Then you're going to turn it, and you're going to do the same. Make a triangle fold. And what you want to do, and what's key here, is leaving this space. See how there's a space in the middle? We want to make sure that we do not lose this space. So we want to see the white table showing. So then we turn it again. Bring it over. And as you can see, we're sort of making a square. So we'll see, I can still see my space in the middle. And then we have our final one here. We turn. And we bring it over. So we still have our space in the middle. And we're just going to keep going all the way around until it's done. So we turn. And we're going to line it up and fold it. So this is a very simple, straightforward project that can be done with yourself or with your kids. If you have kids at home, it's not a hard thing to do, just to fold these. You just keep lining up, and we still have our space in the center here. I've done these with plaid ribbon. So even a patterned ribbon will work as long as it's the same pattern on both sides. It'll work as well. Just keep going around. And this will probably be my last one here. So last one. And then we have this tail. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold the point and we're going to bring it in through the center. That's why we left that space. See, it's in through the center there. And then we're going to pull. And as we pull, we're going to start to twist. So I'm twisting that. And we're going to keep pulling and twisting. And you can see it's starting to twist up. And just keep going. You can mess with it a little bit, make it as fluffy or tight as you like, depending on how you like to see your roses. I'm more of an open rose gal, so I'm going to leave mine just like this. And then I'm going to take my bottom and I'm going to bring it around, like so. And then I'm going to take my wire and I'm going to bring it around to tighten it up. And then I can adjust the way I want, however I want. But you can see we now have a beautiful rose to put in our Christmas tree, on our mantle, in a centerpiece. They're pretty and simple, and they're a great thing to do. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.